Natural home remedies for pimple-free smooth butt. Yogurt and turmeric. To create this home cure for smooth bottom, take 1 teaspoon of turmeric and combine it with 1/2 teaspoon of yogurt. Whisk it right into a smooth paste. Put it onto the affected area. Wait until dry, after rinse it clean with warm water. Continue doing this 3 times per week. Coconut oil. Take organic coconut oil in the user's hand of the hands, lightly massage it to your bottom, every evening, when it is bedtime. Wash each morning. Do this method every day for visible difference. Fresh lemon juice and glycerin. Combine 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice by having an equal volume of glycerin. Immerse a cotton pad into the solution, lightly dab it to the affected area. Allow it to take 15 minutes. Rinse with cold water. Continue doing this homemade mask for smoother bottom once every day. Reduce the frequency as time passes. Tea tree oil. Have a couple of drops of raw tea tree oil in a cotton pad. Lightly dab it to the affected area. Allow it to dry after rinse. If you think any irritation inside your skin, dilute the oil by having an equal quantity of water. Follow this home cure for clear butt 2 times per week.